But I found DDL very interesting for sharing knowledge. The atmosphere is very lovely and friendly with a very high scientific level.
It's one of the biggest, conferences in inhaled drug delivery. I've been to different conferences in the past, and everyone always recommends if you're in inhalation, this is the place to be.
I very much like the talks and the knowledge upstairs. It's really about triggering, introducing the topic, the hypothesis, a little bit of an analysis and a conclusion, and whether you're interested, you can grab the person afterwards.
Of course, I was fortunate enough to be awarded the Emerging Scientist Award, and so that allowed me the chance to come and give a talk here on the podium. The networking opportunities, ability to meet people, it's been really fantastic, and the quality of the science presented in the sessions is really great too.
For me, it was the first talk with such a big audience, especially because there were not really much face-to-face conferences in the last years. So it was a great opportunity, and it's really a great honor for me that I was awarded.
There's good science, but then after the presentations, there's plenty of time for meeting up with colleagues or discussing with new collaborators and exploring opportunities to work with others.
I think for me, it's been a great mix of, industry, academics and students. Just having that opportunity to engage, I think that's really the best part for me, yes.
We actually meet a lot of clients here, and the pharma company, that if they want to meet a supplier, they will definitely come to here. It's the best one.
Yeah, it's been great. I mean, these kind of shows are about relationships developed over a long time. Colleagues change companies, but the faces and names are still the same. It's the people. It's the people seeing old friends, and we've got a new product, and so sharing that with people has been something that we're excited about.
It's an occasion to meet friends and to discuss about the same topic from different point of view, my doctor's point of view with technologies, and to increase my knowledge in the field.
We've got a really nice community in inhaled pharmaceutics and such a wide-ranging set of expertise and knowledge and all the different companies that are here. It's great to get everyone in one place so that we can network, talk to people, find new opportunities, learn about the latest science and stuff like that.
It's a Christmas party for the inhalation industry, really. You have the whole family, you have really great academic presentations as well, and we have had the chance to talk to so many relevant actors.
I think it's the premier conference for researchers in our field. It brings in such a diversity of people you can network with. And so I think this is one of the best conferences that someone in my field can go to.